Are you looking to switch up the vibe in your room with just one small change? I'm Gina with WTI, and I was absolutely amazed at how different having these blinds from Godark made the room. These blinds come with their own frame. Now, we did decide to go ahead and drill them in order to keep them in place, but that totally depends on your setup. You can completely control the amount of light that you want, of course, because both the left and the right sides move independently. When you put it together, make sure that the blinds are staying in the track by moving them back and forth before you go ahead and place them in the window frame. These are made with a honeycomb hollow structure, which is really good for thermal insulation. It forms sealed air pockets, so this area gets really hot in the summer and cold in the winter, but having that structure helps to regulate the temperature. We got the semi-blackout version in gray, and you can see how this diffuses a really soft and natural light when they're closed, which is perfect for a relaxed feeling in this reading nook. These were completely customized to the size that we needed, which gives me confidence when I order from Godark. Do yourself a favor and get these blinds. You are going to be so happy with the results, and that's my point of view.